My name is Brian Spisak. I am the Program Director of AI and Leadership at the National Preparedness Leadership Initiative. And let's just jump right in. The world is in crisis. Labor crisis, natural disaster crisis, cybersecurity crisis, and more abound, with combined costs in the trillions of dollars. There's also unthinkable crisis. Catastrophes so large and profound, they're hard to imagine. The bottom line, the stakes are high, with losses in productivity, economic impact, and global security mounting. But there's hope. Solutions are within reach, provided leaders can connect the digital dots to effectively leverage the data and tech at their disposal. But if they don't, the wrong dots connect, and interdependent threats such as climate change, war, and supply chain disruption reinforce each other and escalate. Consider this. The world is experiencing unprecedented complexity and escalating threats. The World Health Organization, for example, reported that 17 nuclear reactors were in an active war zone during the outbreak of the war in Ukraine. And the World Economic Forum, in their Global Crisis Report, is warning that, quote-unquote, concurrent shocks, deeply interconnected risks, and eroding resilience are giving rise to the risk of polycrisis, where disparate crises interact such that the overall impact far exceeds the sum of each part. Eroding geopolitical cooperation will have ripple effects across the global risk landscape over the medium term, including contributing to a potential polycrisis of interrelated environmental, geopolitical, and socioeconomic risks related to the supply of and demand for natural resources. It's essentially a complex web where challenges amplify and create a perfect storm of global threats. In simple terms, the time to act is now if we want to stop this costly domino effect of crisis. Unfortunately, traditional approaches driven solely by intuition and past experiences fall short in the face of today's challenges. The solution? Leaders need to become computational leaders who combine AI-powered intelligence with strategic action. But just as important, they must embody meta-leadership, a proven framework that enables leaders to connect systemically, forging critical networks of trust, information, and coordinated action. Developed at the MPLI, meta-leadership teaches leaders how to operate in complex, high-stakes environments through 4 dimensions of leadership. Leading down, guiding and empowering teams with clear direction. Leading up, influencing decision-makers above. Leading across, breaking down silos and connecting with peers. And leading beyond, extending leaderships to external partners and stakeholders. Now, AI can help turbocharge meta-leaders. Leading down, AI-powered crisis co-pilots directed by leaders can autonomously leverage complex streams of data and rapidly turn it into actionable insights for frontline teams to use in a crisis. Leading up, decision makers often hesitate without clear data. AI-driven predictive models and digital twins allow leaders to present increasingly accurate risk assessments to policymakers and executives in order to turn hesitation into action. Leading across, AI-powered collective intelligence platforms can enable leaders to gather and share real-time knowledge across their entire organization, no matter the scale, in a way that was never possible before. And finally, leading beyond, computational leaders can use AI-powered scenario simulations to prepare entire industries for crisis, such as preparing for extreme weather events or supply chain disruptions. The essence is this. AI does not replace leadership, it amplifies it. Computational leaders who embrace AI-powered meta-leadership will be the ones who break through silos, connect the digital and human dots, and navigate a world in crisis. The solutions are here. It's time to lead beyond, navigate a world in crisis, and shape the future.